You okay?
Mm-hmm.
You were rubbing your eyes.
I'm trying to make a parking lot.
Okay, you sure?
Sure.
How are you gonna get cleaned up?
Take 1,000,000 baths.
1,000,000?
That's why I'm down here. So I can take a bubble bath.
Where's your cars?
What cars?
For your parking lot.
No, just pretend.
Do you have pretend cars?
Yeah. My hands. I use my hands as cars. I'm making a parking garage.
That's a good idea. I'll come back and check on you.
Do it every now and then.
I will. I'm going to see how your parking garage is coming along.
Okay. It's like a stadium, right?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, that kind of looks like a U from...
It does.
That looks like a smiley face. I better flatten that over. I'll try to get rid of the funny... There.
Are you kidding me right now? How are you supposed to get cleaned?
Mom prepares a bubble bath for me.
Oh, I knew it.